If I could describe Systainer, reliable, tough, awesome, awesome, awesome. I just don't have a complaint. My name's Kevin Nicholson. I own Nicholson Drywall and Painting. We've been in business 37 years, and I've been using the Systainer system for 10 plus years. Our favorite part about using it is, one, we know our tools are safe when they're in there. Two, the portability and the convenience. I can't stress that enough. The convenience of the Systainer system is awesome. Everything is labeled, so that makes it easy to go right to the tool. And to be able to keep your tools neat and clean, that's another great thing. My go-to stack is the toolbox, a drill, the bits, and the vacuum. We use the foam inserts for some of our drills and some of the plastic systems, just depending on our situation at the time. Our favorite Systainer has to be the toolbox because it's easy to see what's going on without the lid. Great for quick access. The overall part of the Systainer is just built so well for all applications. It shows off nicely to the customer that you are truly prepared to be on the job. That is more important to us than anything. The capability of using the T-lock is huge, and the portability makes it super easy. Using the Systainer cart, that has made a big difference as well. Where I'm at today using the Systainer system is being that I can use the system for everything makes it complete. So I just don't have to use a Festool tool to use the Systainer system. I can take a tool and use it really any way I want, along with going with tape, paper, different things like that for painting. The Systainer system makes it quick and easy to access when you pull up on the job, keeps you organized, keeps the tool identified, and it makes you look very professional.